Morning, folks. We got a train on this Tuesday morning. ELS 400. And it's not a long one, folks, but I was already coming down to Pembine. I took it out at the bank, so I thought, well, I can come and get a train on the board. I know you know who's over by the. He's also down here. I'm going away from him. I want to on my own shot. There she is. Watching how much. That might stop. Watching behind me also. There she is, folks. Looks like they're going all the way. Just behind me. I don't see any crew getting off, so I'd say they are heading to Segola with a very short little train. They might have catch this locomotive by itself. Or they are. Yep, they are. Shoot. I'm moving. Yep, this is not being. This might get interesting. They've stopped over here, folks, and I don't. You know who's over here, so well, that doesn't surprise me, unfortunately. Looks like they might be picking up some cars. Okay, he's going over. Oh, nice. He's not far distance. Thank God. Sounds like they're gonna pick up these remaining cars. Oh, that's nice. He's not even coming near me. That's nice. A little windy today, folks. Oh, there's a twig on top of 400. Hold on, folks. We just zoom back out. watch mine. They might just be grabbing all these log cars because I know they're all loaded, so they might as well be. Oh, I'm about to get. A friend of our church might just see me in a minute. Yeah, I gotta go. Good connections around this town. Holy moly. Folks, if you can hear the wind, it is very windy. I've rubbed my windshield on for this sucker. My pants are like just flying here. I got about, say, about 6 cars back here in the log yard, I would say, more likely. So it should be. They'll make it at least a 10-car train going to Segola nonetheless with the empty center beams plus these log cars. Well, yeah, folks. Poor Fred. Poor Fred over there. He's just sitting there. Okay, I'm just gonna point over there. Poor Fred is having not the best kind of a little time. Oh my gosh. I apologize for the wind here, folks. It is just. It's been windy. Yesterday was just windy as heck, dude. And you guys, and today is also windy this fine morning on the here in Pembine. Let's see if I can see him. Okay, he's just checking all the cars. They're doing the checks and everything. Hopefully my pants don't fall off because I'm getting reported behind me, I believe. Because you know who's here, folks. So hopefully my pants don't fall off during this. I feel a little awkward for that to be on YouTube. May have my pants coming off. Hey, look at you. I need to see how many cars there are. One. I'd say about maybe 10 cars there. Maybe 10 of them. That's not too bad even. So I'm going to do this taking I'd say about 14, 15 car train, at least to Segola. So I kind of thought they weren't going to go all the way to Segola with just 4 empty center beams. What else going to rotate to that? They're putting logs up over there. I'm just happy I've got this train here, folks. And I thought I got some 400 action on the channel because I know a lot of people have been asking about it. I can hear her getting ready to move. Ooh, she's a beauty. Folks, please tell me you guys agree with me. 400 has what the best sounding core on the ELS, and it looks like a gem. The only engine has the ELS color scheme, unfortunately. It's the only one. This thing is just, I love this scheme. It looks beautiful. orange, the black, the yellow. It just all works. If you don't believe that, I don't know what you're thinking. It's the same engine as 402, our old Conrail friend that we haven't seen since. On my channel, it's been the beginning of last year. What would have been 24 would have been last time I saw this engine running, 402 running, and then last time I caught 400 would have been the 4-engine train that I caught in Beecher would have been, folks. So you know what? You catch anything here on the ELS, and you know what? We get some old the GP38 unit that this thing is just a gem. These GP38s. And you know what GP38 is? Just watch the history of ELS 400 video. It'll make a lot more sense when you watch it, what GP38 is. There we go. Oh, the first car is shaking. They're slowly moving them. They haven't moved these cars by in a little bit. Probably check, make sure the brakes are all, make sure the cars are ready to move. I think they're grabbing everything here. I don't think anybody's getting. I think the yard's gonna get empty today, folks. It's good. They're hoping to catch one time the yard getting emptied. Yeah. There we go. Let's go to the half zoom button. I'm still learning these zoom things. I got the half zoom, I got a 1 zoom, I got a 2x. I love these zoom features because they're so nice. It should be a long video. Oh, there he is. I see our crew guy. He's now walking back to the front of the train because obviously poor little Fred over there is just, he's very cold. They need to get Fred from his the cold gravel to the back of a locomotive again, the back of this train. And folks, maybe that'll be another history video, is explaining what does Fred, the orange little box over here, what does that do? That may be a future video I do, maybe, because that's probably a question you guys are going to ask, is what does it do? And I can probably make that a history video. I see him coming back up to the front of the train. Means they'll probably have 400 move, get back on the main. They'll switch back to the main line. Look Fred up, back the whole train up. Crew guy will get back into 400, and this train will head to Segola. They'll probably end up heading to, and then also Channing. I'm not sure if they'll pick anything up and what they'll do in Channing. They may grab 1221 because I'm wondering if they're gonna grab it for when they get a train finally getting ready to go to Green Bay, which might be hopefully this week. They're saying on the group, so they may take all the 3 engines and send them to Green Bay because it's gonna be an over a mile train probably, so they're gonna need the power for it, I would say. We'll see. It's gonna be intriguing. Let me get a thumbnail picture while I'm doing it here. There we go. I got my thumbnail picture for the video. I appreciate you know who not standing near me. I get to film here. He's on the other side of the tracks. I appreciate that. If he's watching the video later on, I appreciate it. I get this awesome view. Ooh, she's smoking. Oh, holy moly! She's smoking. She is. I'm gonna cough up that smoke that I just had. Okay, I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 log cars, folks. So an 11-car train heading for Scalodi. That's sprayed ankle, folks. Yep, that's all I take him. Fresh wood, fresh log cars, heading for Scalodi, folks. That's sprayed ankle. Alright, now they're gonna attach Fred back to their train because we obviously need Fred. We can't leave him all. We can't leave him here in we can't leave here in Pembine. Huh, interesting. White is soft wood white, and then we got the yellow is the hard wood yellow. Interesting. You learn new things. If empty, return to Channing, the ELS. Okay. Well, it's good to learn here, folks. It was built. The log car right here, folks, was built in 1984. Can't tell what this one was though. They don't have a date. But I see this one here in '84, which is pretty dang cool. That's Osprey right there. They're loading up log trailers, so what I believe they're going to do now is, yep, they're going to back the train up so he can get back on the train. Man, you guys are going to have one heck of a video. It's going to be at least for 20 minutes long today. Enjoy this one, folks, for probably to go out. I'm going to get this out on a Wednesday, probably, because I don't know if I'll have the time to get it out today, I wonder. So this might be a Wednesday morning or afternoon video. So I don't mind that one bit, having a Wednesday one. Alright, she is low now. Man, what a beauty. Well, she's heading off for Segola, folks. That is pretty dang cool. Folks, after this, I'm leaving you guys, and because I am following this train more. If you want to follow that, go watch You Know Who's channel. We'll do the rest of it, because I'm only here for the Pembine. Woo, she's smoky! Look at that! That's a ton of smoke, guys. Well, folks, here got the last couple cars, and folks, firstly, thank you for watching. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe, share the video out. And as always, we'll see you guys next time. Peace out, everybody. Little rocking, and there she goes. See you guys. Have a good day. How about that, folks? Yeah, I see it now.